Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I make multiple haul videos, vlogs, shopping, DIYs, all that. So if you like that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. And today is another Dollar Tree 25-cent finds haul. I think this is part 3 or 4. I had lost count by now. But yeah, everything I'm showing you is 25 cents, which I cannot believe. I don't know how many parts I'm going to do. If you guys want to keep seeing these, if you don't, let me know. But there's a lot of 25-cent finds that I found. So yeah, grab a snack, grab a drink, subscribe, and let's get into this. So the first thing we have is this little fashion scrunchie. It's like thick. I love the material. Then we got the LA Colors matte and gloss little black matte nails. I think these are so pretty. So we got that. I would add some glitter to it just cause. Then we have the ballpoint pen for $1. I think this is so cute. My cat's probably gonna steal it because she loves puffballs, but we got that. Then we have the LA Colors Bubble Tea Eyeshadow in Peachy Glimmer Shimmer. Yeah. Then we have this little brush, perfect for travel. Then the blush from I forget what collection this was from, but this is in Dusty Rose. Then we have the Lip Clear Sparkle Plumper. I love this. Then we have the Lip Crayon in Cutesy. This shade though. Then we have the Nude Glam Lipstick in Surreal. Again, I love that color. Got that. I'm trying to see if anything's behind my computer. Then we got this flat iron. Yeah, it says $5, but it was 25 cents. I literally could not believe it. Like, I used the app on my phone, I used the scanner, and when she rang it up, I still couldn't believe this was 25 cents. Run to your store, see if they have these in stock up. 25 cents for the straightener. Then, that's not it. Then, this Pro Silk Mini 3-barrel curling iron. It says $10. 25 cents. Could not believe it. So we have that. Then the last hair care tool is the Pro Silk Silky Smooth Hair in Minutes. What is this? The tapered curling wand. 25 cents for every single one of these. So literally run to your dollar store and pick them up, and I will insert a clip of me scanning it on the app and showing that it is 25 cents just in case no one believes it. I'm going to show it on the app. So okay, so it's the next day that I'm filming, and I used the 25-cent hair straightener, and I honestly don't think it's that bad. Like, I think it's worth $1. So just saying, I did use it. Okay, so more stuff. So we have this colored lip balm in Lena, however you want to pronounce it. Then we have the Clean Color lipstick, and this is in Majesty. So cute. Then we have this matte foundation, and this is in Warm Honey. And honestly, for $1, I was like, if this isn't my shade, whatever, I'll mix it. But for $1, why not? So then, of course, we got the scrunchy hair tie. All of these materials are $1. Then again, quarter setting spray. You cannot beat this. This I'm so hyped for. Then we have these all black felt hair ties. Then we have the phone little selfie thing that's like the teddy bear or whatever. Yeah, $1. All colors. All the colors are $1. Oh, my allergies are killing me. Then I got the Pink Glow Pop Pop Fizz lip plumper. Then we got the brow gel, the clear brow gel. I loved this. I'm hyped for that. Then we got the LA Colors Duo eyeshadow. This is in pink, ombre, and eyeshadow duo, and they're both matte, which is fantastic. At least they look matte. They both look matte, so, but that shade. And then the other, okay, yeah, that one was matte, and then this one is the matte and glitter, and this is in brown. So, cute. Then, my favorite powder, the pressed powder, green tea infused. I love this stuff. And, yeah, this is just what it looks like, though. But I love that stuff. Then, these are $1. The little facial oil spa kit. You get the guava thing and the little serum. So my cat is going insane. So got these. I did like these forever ago when they came out. So then we do have some clear stamps. So we got this little set. I think this is so fun, especially for us crafters out there. Perfect time to stock up. And then I got these ones. And then these ones, I think, are hilarious with the llamas. I don't know my obsession right now with llamas, but got that. Then I got another pack of these felt scrunchies. Then the Make Me Up eyeshadow palette is $1. In there, again, these are all mattes, which is perfect. Then we have these ombre effect nails. I'm actually excited to try these just for fun. So we have those. My nails are absolutely horrible right now. They all like chipped off. Then we have this lipstick in So Iconic. I love the shade. Iconic. And then we have Bear With Me. And then BFF. So all these are $1. Then we have $1 nail polishes. So this one is the Color Craze Nail Bling with the polish. So we have this one. And then we have this one with the nail file. I got a blue. I was like, winter blue, why not? And then we got this one with the nail file. I'm obsessed with this color. This is actually the color on my feet right now. My toes. And then I got this clear sparkle with the nail file. Okay, on to the next. Okay, so then we have the Pro Prep and Prime Makeup Primer Spray for $1. Then the Joha Warm Me Up Concealers are $1. And this one, I don't know what, like, it looks dark, it looks light, I don't know. So we shall see. If not, I'll use it as a contour. We got that. Then the Joha lipstick. This is in Sunrise. These are all Christmas gifts, so hopefully they're not watching this. And then we have the Clean Color in Pixie Tide. Then Joha in Horizon. Is that Horizon? Yeah, in Horizon. And then the Joha in Flying. Then probably another score are the shoe charms. The 2-pack of shoe charms are $1. So we have this set. We have Little Wiener Dog. And then we have the flowers. So these are definitely a steal for $1. Next. Then we got a pair of sunglasses for $1. Then these scorching tools I use for crafts. Bargain for $1. Then we got the LA Contour Stick in medium. I love that. These are $1. And then got the bronzer shade. Is there a difference? I don't know. Then we got the Instantly Ageless foundation in medium deep. This is a gift, so we got that. Then we got the LA Colors, another one in medium for a gift. And we got the zipper hair tie. This hair tie. This hair tie. Love these. this one's my favorite. Then this one by Sophie. Then we have these for a quarter, which I love these. So got that. Then lighters are a quarter. Bargain. Then we have the makeup remover towels. These are great for travel. So got that. Then I got these eyelashes for fun. Don't ask. I just thought they were fun for a quarter. You know what? Why not? So got those. Then we got the little collect all surprise bags. I want the car and the shark. Let's see what. Oh, okay. So I got the car. Yay, that's what I wanted. And then I did get another one. I'm going to this location today, so I hope I get more. And I want the car and the duck. That's what I want. So a duck. Oh, okay, I got the ghost. So for a quarter, that's fun. Another bag. So we got this Carmex fresh cherry for a quarter. Random, but good find. Then we got this coffee pen. I remember getting this forever ago when it came out. But how cute is that? So I got that. Then we got these little squishy blind boxes. Let's see. I want the bear. Yeah, I want the bear. Oh, okay, we got this one. Yeah, I don't remember which ones I have. Okay, then another one is that. So whatever that is. Oh, Wear-Em-All and the unicorn is what we got this time around. I think, what did we get last time? Okay, got the Wear-Em-All. And then I think that was it. So maybe I did need the llama. I saw the llama today because someone opened it. Should have got it. Anyway, random. Then we got this magnetic little photo frame. These are so cute. So, and then we got the Remy Rose liquid lipstick in Sadie. Love the dark color. Then we got these Papermate Right Pros. You get 8 of them for a quarter. That is a steal. Then we have this hair tie, super cute. And then these, which I absolutely love these elastic because they don't pull your hair out. So I got those. Then the little water misters, what are they called? Mist spray bottle. A quarter. These were fantastic in my opinion. So for a quarter, hello. Then got the makeup remover towel. I love this because you just put it on your hand and wipe away. So then the car coasters were a quarter. I love these. So got that. Then the Make Me Up little 2-pack of little lip glosses. Then the Joe Hawk concealer, and I found it in Deep. This isn't the one I thought. I thought I got the lighter shade, but we got this. You can use it as a bronzer. Then we got the clean colored lipstick, and this is in High Risk, can't read. So it's just a red lip. Then we have clean colored lipstick, and this is in Heartbreaker. And then we got the makeup cleaning mitt. These are so great, and they're so good for travel too. So we got that. Then we got the eyebrow pencil in medium brown. And like I said, all this is not just for me. So then we got these hair ties. Love these. Oh, then my favorite little hair clips. These do not crease your hair. These were a quarter, of course, so we snagged these. Love these. I'm tired. Then we got the Sassy and Chic little 3-piece blender set. How adorable. And then, yes, these are a quarter. How do you flip it? The 12 days of socks. These were a quarter. And I'm trying to see. Yeah, ladies low cut size 4 to 10. These, I cannot believe it. You know what? We are going to open day 1. Is this day 1? Yeah, we're going to open day 1. Start this off together. Oh, I guess you're supposed to pull it out of here. I don't know how this works. But day 1 sock is, let's see. There is other socks that are not $1, so make sure you're using the scanners. Okay, let's see what this is. This one is we don't want to. Okay. So you don't know me. Okay, that's kind of funny. So kind of stretchy, so we'll see. But yeah, this is a day 1 sock. But that was my last bag of this haul. Didn't know it, but it was. But I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. There's so many quarter finds out there right now. It is insane. So I have a few more bags that I'm going to start filming. So yeah, stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss that. And I also have $1.25 videos to film too. Stay tuned for all that. Definitely you don't want to miss them. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.